In this video, I'm going to show you how to show or hide typed passwords on Google Pixel phone. So basically this will briefly show the characters you type in the password field before turning them into dots. So go to settings, then type in the search privacy control. So I already have it here. Make sure to type privacy control, it's going to show on top. Then it's going to be under security and privacy. Then scroll all the way to the bottom. Then here you will see the option show passwords. So if you enable it, this will show the password like for a few seconds before it hides it. If you disable it, the characters you type in the password field will not briefly appear anymore. So this will basically make it like, so every character will instantly show as dots, and will basically make it like extra secure for extra privacy. That's pretty much it for the video. If you found it helpful, please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.